guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Janae and this is Janai's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll be making some stovetop popcorn. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, please stay tuned. So if you've never made your own popcorn on top of the stove, you definitely have to try it. It's not hard at all to do and it tastes so much better than the microwavable popcorn. So popcorn is one of my favorite snacks. I like caramel corn, kettle corn, movie theater popcorn. I love them all. But for the purpose of today's video, I'm gonna keep it very simple with just some melted butter and salt. You only need a few things to make this popcorn. Let's start with the pot. You need a shallow pot with a thin bottom. You don't want the bottom to be too thick, and a lid. A large bowl and spatula for stirring. I have some sea salt and my favorite butter, the Kerrygold Irish butter. You'll need a cooking oil. That's important. You can use canola, vegetable, avocado. You could use coconut oil. You can use olive oil as well, but you want to make sure that it's not extra virgin olive oil. The oil you use needs to be able to tolerate high heat. And then, of course, popcorn kernels. Okay, so let's get started. First, I'm gonna go ahead and add some oil to my pot. I just honestly coat the bottom of the pot, but you need about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Now that that's in there, I'm gonna turn my heat on to medium heat. So while that's beginning to heat up, I'm going to add in just a few kernels, and then I'm gonna cover the pot. Once that first kernel pops, I'm going to add in half a cup of popcorn kernels. While that's heating up, I'm going to get my butter ready. In my opinion, it's best to use a good quality butter. It just makes the popcorn taste better. So I'm going to use half a stick of this butter. All right, so the first kernel has popped. I'm going to add in half a cup. Put it in and cover it. So I'm trying a new setup here, guys. Bear with me. I hope the filming process comes out okay. All right, so I'm gonna shake this gently over the heat. And they should start popping soon. Here we go. Okay, once you hear it slow down, just like when you're making them in the microwave, you want to remove it from the heat. I'm gonna shake it and then just let it sit for a minute to finish popping. All right, guys, so my butter is nice and melted. Let some of the steam escape. All right, so we're not done because we can't have popcorn without butter and salt. From here, I'm going to transfer it to this clear bowl. Shake it up so any leftover kernels get put to the bottom. So I'm going to pour this butter on top and add some salt. And then I'm gonna stir it up and make sure it gets evenly coated in that butter. So good. Well, all right, you guys, that's it for today's video. If you like what you saw, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. There are multiple ways to connect with me. You can leave me a comment, head over to the community tab, or you can send me an email at janaiskitchen@gmail.com. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.